Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Experian Protect to monitor identity changes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Experian Protect website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Next, create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. After that, provide your phone number for account verification. You may also need to enter your mailing address for identity protection. Once all necessary fields are filled, click on the Continue button. You will receive an email with a verification link. Go to your email inbox and find the email from Experian Protect. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. After verification, return to the Experian Protect website. Log in using your email and the password you created. You will now be taken to your account dashboard. Here, explore the identity monitoring options available. Select the services you want to enable for monitoring changes. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them to proceed. Finally, complete any additional steps required for setting up your monitoring preferences. Once done, your registration will be complete and your identity monitoring will begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.